Okay, guys. So once you have marked text, now you can do the control dash, the control hyphen keys together, opens the text attributes. So now you can underscore something, you can bold it, italics, any of this stuff. Okay?
Mark.
So mark it, which is
it.
what?
M.
And then do the control hyphen. Right here.
Or you could do Shift Alt B.
You can do what?
Shift Alt B for bold. No, I'm just looking.
Yeah, you can. So if you do the control hyphen, then that opens up this box of attributes. Okay? So whatever you want to do with the marked text, now you can do it. So you can underscore it, you can do it in bold, and you can do it in italics. Okay? Welcome, guys. Yeah. Yeah. If y'all want to have a seat, you can have a seat wherever. If not, you can just kind of stand up in the back. Let me know when everybody's in. Okay, there's a seat over here. There's a couple of seats up here.
Some of them bite, so be careful.
Yeah. The teachers or the us? Okay, guys, if I can get you, just to stay as still as you can, because these are kind of motion lights, so it's kind of hard for the students in the back to see. Hit those lights back there, would you? Back there in the back, right behind you. Yeah. All right.
There we go. There we go.
Okay, so I'm going to repeat what I just said. So if you want to underscore something, bold it, or if you want to do it in italics, then what you do is mark it, which is what?
M.
M in hyperkeys. So mark whatever you want. So mark something in your text. You got it? All right. Now do the control hyphen, which is going to open up this box of attributes. Got it?
Yep.
All right. And just bold it. So just X or put a check right there in bold. Hit OK. And it should bold it, does it?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Everybody?
Yep. Beautiful.
Good?
Yes.
Good. All right. Any questions about that? Good.
Well, what does the weight mean? Does that make it thicker?
Okay, and the oops key is what?
Z.
Is Z. So if you do the oops key, try doing it, it should take it back, does it?
Yes.
No?
Yeah.
Well, y'all two troublemakers
Mine
over
used
there.
to, it just
No,
stopped
mine
right
doesn't.
now.
Huh?
My oops key used to work, now it doesn't.
Because he's sitting next to me
By
and
next Wednesday.
Could be
You have
that.
8
Yeah,
days.
You guys are.
And don't
Yeah.
freak
They forgot
out.
their
Freak out.
immunizations.
Okay? But get that checked, guys. Get it checked. Okay?
have that looked at.
So if it didn't work, go back onto the word, mark it again, do the control hyphen again, and uncheck the bold. Is it still checked? No?
What does weight mean? Is that just like the thickness of it, or what?
What's that?
My Z.
Next to the bold.
Your Z didn't work? It
Yeah,
did? Yeah.
it took it out.
Yeah.
Because you won't be able to unfold.
Oh, but you know what? In the magic keys, it says in text attributes. So you could go there and undo it.
Okay. So over here in the magic keys, if you get on the word, should tell you, it should give it to you of putting it back. That should be one of your examples of being able to put it back. Does it? No?
Well, mine's not up.
If we mark it
Are
again.
you in the right? Yeah. You're supposed to be in here.
Plus minus.
Like, what gives us, again, the option to go back?
Z. In the oops.
Oops.
Okay? So one of the ways that you can change
Oh,
your spacing, what?
so you don't mark anything. So it turns comes up with blank, so there's none of the boxes are checked, so you just hit OK, and it gets rid of all your, whatever you have done.
Did that work?
Yes, it did work.
If you don't mark it
So if you don't, so if you mark it and you go back to get rid of it.
to the
mark
attributes,
it.
yeah.
Yeah, you mark it and then you go back and there's none of them are marked. You say
Mhm.
OK, and it takes everything away.
Yeah.
Yay.
So.
Thank you, Callie. Don't have to see.
Yeah. Okay, now say in your in the body of your transcript is usually always going to be double spaced. Okay? So say you don't want it double spaced. Okay? This is how you do it. So alt hyphen should give you a single space. Does it?
Yeah. Yep.
Alt equal, which I think is alt shift alt or alt shift. Is it? What's the equal?
Just alt. It just equals.
Oh,
the
okay, it's right next to it. I'm sorry. I thought it was on the same line as the hyphen, and it's not.
Yeah.
It's not. Sorry about that. So you just do the alt equal, and it'll take it back to double space.
Sweet.
That
you
easy.
You don't have to mark it.
You don't have to mark any of it. It already knows. I'm going to show you another way of doing it, which is if you come over here and you come into the paragraph line, okay, open it up, and it's going to give you, I don't know if it's going to let me do it in here or not.
Text font, label font.
Yeah, it will.
Spacing.
So it gives you spacing right here. So you can single or double space it right there too. So if you don't remember what the command was for single or double space, you can always come on the paragraph line and change it. Okay?
Yes.
Got it?
Got it.
Pretty simple. That's splitting the atom.
My alt dash is
Ah.
not working anymore.
Huh?
My alt dash is not working anymore.
Any more? How many times you do it? 60?
We got it.
What was
I
you
got
doing?
it. No. Don't
Nothing.
see it.
What were you doing?
She pressed print.
That's probably right. Mm.
No, it's not working anymore.
Okay, so they have the little your turn thing right there. We're not really going to go through it. I mean, I guess we can. So if y'all want to go through it, you can come in here, get on the A on R, and hit the alt equal. And it should double space it, does it?
Yes.
Oh, I
If you come
see.
here.
It actually does it for the whole thing.
Yeah. Well, it's gonna do it for the whole thing.
Paragraph.
Because if you notice, pay attention, it has it on,
One.
it has it as a Q paragraph, as a question paragraph. So you don't see any other paragraphs here. Now the reason if it doesn't is because you're gonna have different paragraphs right here. If it has different paragraphs for each line, then you're gonna have to go in and do each one.
Okay.
But you shouldn't have to. So hopefully, you know, you're just on a queue and it'll do it for the whole question or the whole answer. Okay? So if you come on answer 2, you should be able to do it too. Okay? So we'll come on the answer right here. And I want it single space, so now I'm going to do the shift hyphen and see how it single spaces the whole thing. So it single spaces the whole answer. Okay? And then alt equal will take it back.
Do you ever use that?
Yeah, it's actually pretty cool. It's good.
Why would you use it? Well, when would you condense text like that?
Like if you're in on the appearance page, some of that stuff is single spaced, so you would have to use it there. What else?
So not necessarily.
Where it would be single spaced.
If you want to make more money, do it single space. No. Oh, wait, I guess
sorry?
less money, right? Less money. You want more money.
Yeah, the certificate page might have, yeah, where you have your name, it has your name, court reporter for courtroom 306, your phone number, your, I'm sorry? Yeah, all of your information, thank
That's
you.
all single space. Okay.
Or like
or
people's
that,
address.
or the information, huh?
Like people's address.
Yeah, well, your address. So, I mean, even like on the appearance page where they have everything about the attorney. So his address, his bar number, his phone number, all of that stuff is on there. And it might be like 5 or 6 lines. You don't want that double spaced. You don't need it double spaced. You need it single spaced. So that's where you would do it. Okay?
Got it.
Any questions?
Nope.
No?
No questions in the back?
Would that be a
Break
block
time.
file too,
What's that?
your signature page?
Oh, yeah.
Certificate page?
Yeah, the certificate page is going to be a block file.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Any questions about the stuff that we covered tonight, guys?
No,
Mm-mm.
Nothing?
no.
No?
Guys, one, use that stuff already, okay? I've been telling you guys about using it. Use the stuff now, okay? Especially the auto replacement stuff. If you know that, you know, there's certain words, use that stuff. The guy, those of you that are having trouble with that oops key, call, make sure that you get that fixed by next Wednesday. Okay? Any other questions? All right, we'll see y'all next week.